And then the fifth instruction in verse 10, he says, outdo one another in showing honor. Now, this is a strange instruction because Paul is actually encouraging the church to be competitive here, to outdo each other in showing honor to each other. And the King James says, in honor, preferring one another, which basically means putting each other first. Don't put yourself first, but put each other first. And so the thing with competition is that you're putting yourself first. It's because I want to win. I want to beat everyone else. And so competition in a church is not a good thing. When you're spiritually competing with each other in the church, it's not a good thing. And so competing puts yourself first, but honor puts other people first. And so the only competition that there should be in a church is competing with each other to put each other first. And I tell you, there is something so beautiful about a church that has a culture of honor, where you prefer others before yourself. And it's not thinking less of yourself or belittling yourself. It's just being kind to others. It's being honoring to others. Give honor where honor is due. And if you're competing with other people, you're not going to honor them. If somebody does something really good and you're jealous of that, you're not going to honor them for it. You're actually going to downplay it. Try to make it seem like, oh, it's not that amazing. It's not that good. Because you're trying to make yourself always appear much better than everyone else. And that's just such an ugly thing. But there's something so beautiful about when people are secure, they grounded on the grace of God, they are happy with the gift that God's giving them, celebrating it, using it to the best of their ability, that they can just celebrate other people. And when others do really well, they can celebrate that. They don't have a problem with that. They're happy about that because you recognize that when everyone else does well, I do well. You know, like they say, a rising tide lifts all the ships. So when a tide rises, all the ships rise together. So when a church rises, when people are doing things that's causing the whole church to rise, everyone rises. And so the way we should look at it is that the only competition we should have in the church is to outdo each other in giving honor. What an incredible thing.